Hey nail babes, okay, so I'm back with another video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get started, I need you to follow me on both of my Instagrams, _nail_fanatic and shopluxnails.co. Also go ahead and follow me on TikTok, which is _nailfanatic1. Okay, so we're just going in. We are top coating the nail with the Velvet Matte Gel Top Coat from shopluxnails.co. Y'all, I promise this is the best fucking gel top coat that you would probably use. This one and also the shiny super shine. But yeah, we just going into this, and I don't like do every nail full out and then put them under the light. I do like one or two nails and then I put them under the light because I don't like for my gel to slide. And however you hold in your hand, or if you leaving your hand just sitting too long, that gel is sliding the whole time. So do like one or two nails at a time, then cure, then move to the next hand, and then repeat. Another tip, I also use the Velvet Matte Top Coat underneath, like as the base and anything that I'm doing. Like if I'm about to do a French tip, I'm using the Velvet Matte. It just gives it a smoother glide. Like you will see what I'm talking about once I get to actually like design it on the nail and stuff. Even though I'm not really using like a striper brush or anything like that. But I promise you, if you are not using a Velvet Matte Top Coat under the bottom of your designs as the base, you need to think again and need to try something new. Like it's always room for improvement. Like look how easy that just glide on there. Like, and the white I'm using for the base is I think $8.94 from Beetles. I got that off Amazon. If y'all need me to start an Amazon store, let me know, because most of my stuff that's not my brand I get from Amazon. I don't be having time to wait 4 and 5 and 6 days for my shit to come. You need my shit damn near the same day or the next day. Y'all get the vibes when I put down Amazon Prime. Ain't been priming lately, but it's finna start back priming, I know, because the holiday season is over. But anyway, not to ramble there. I'm just going ahead and just randomly just doing whatever my brain tell me to do with this white polish, because I already knew what I had in my head to do to her nails. So yeah, now I'm just taking the pigment powder. Y'all, these pinks kind of look real close in color, but in person they were so different. Like, but once I watched the video back, I'm like, damn, these kind of look the same. But I am just taking, like, I actually made this brush that I'm using. I just took an old acrylic nail brush that was not working anymore, and I just cut it to how I wanted it to be cut, and I just started placing the pigment powder. But you have to be very, very careful when you use the pigment powder, because even though you put it in the light and it's curing, it can still wipe off. So I have to watch how I even wipe it off. You have to watch how much you put on, how many times you cure it. I try to cure mine as many times as possible. Like, until I ask you for the hand, keep the hand in that light, okay? Because, yeah. And another thing, I don't use people use like a dust brush or a scrub brush to remove the excess. I don't, because it streaks the pigment. Like, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just don't like it. I'd rather take my precision brush, or remover brush, or whatever you want to call it, and actually go through and remove it myself. And this is it for the voiceover. I wasn't trying to do a super long voiceover, because you can just follow along side by side, or if you have any questions, you could drop them down below in the comments and let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. If you have anything pertaining to this that you do want answered, or just any videos that you want to see, or if you follow me on all 3 of my socials, make sure you drop a blue heart, okay? A blue heart. Blue for royalty, okay? But yeah, that's it, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the final look.